Excuse me, little cloud. Can I get through? Oh, you wanted to help the flower. That's very kind, Goo. You wanted to make rain. Wait, let's discover it together. What does a cloud need to make rain? Let's take a closer look. Which cloud do you think is ready to rain? When clouds collect lots of tiny water droplets, they slowly become darker. Maybe our cloud isn't ready yet. That's okay. Let's make a rain cloud together. We need some gray. Try to make yours just like mine. Great job! Good! Our rain cloud is ready. Now it's time to make the raindrops. We'll need some blue clay. First, roll a tiny ball. Then gently stretch it. Now shape it into a little raindrop. Perfect! Now let's learn how to animate the rain. Move the raindrop just a little bit. Take a picture, move it again, and take another picture. Keep going. The first page of Goo's notebook is finally written. This is where Goo's adventures begin. If you want to discover more pages of Goo's magic book, join our little explorer family. Let's create new adventures together. See you in the next discovery.